There's a huge misconception with care is that it's an unskilled workforce, and it's genuinely not. I think people have seen over the last 18 months of the pandemic that it's now getting the respect that it deserves. Whether that's, that you walk in and you're working with somebody with dementia that is in a huge dark period and they're stuck in that moment in their life and the carer is able to bring them out, or whether it's treating somebody at the end of their life and, okay, they're not at home with their loved ones, but when you see a carer then placing photos of loved ones around them, playing their favourite music, those are the times that you see the carers, come into their own, and they just do such a wonderful job.
I feel like I better people's lives, and it's just seeing the residents happy and knowing that I'm helping them. You connect with most of the residents here and you kind of make a friendship with them. You get to know about them, their families, it's not just washing them.
Every day, Monday to Friday, I get to do painting, arts and crafts, play bowls, all the fun things,
Carers and now will have their own registration similar to a nurse, so they'll have their own PIN number, so they'll need to do their QCF level 2, so that's open to them. The natural progression then is moving on to level 3, whether after that that's a team leading course or a management qualification, so there's a huge amount of training available for people.
Because I want to be a nurse, I thought that I'd become a carer so I could get some experience, and I'm now doing my MDQ, and after I've done that then I'm going to go on and do my nursing then.
We use Pembrokeshire College for our MDQs, and after being in placement for 12 weeks then we can approach them. They have to be working more than 16 hours, but you usually start off with level 2, then level 3, and then like April level 5. And some of my seniors are doing the team building as well, so the ILM levels are all available. The same with the kitchen. You heard from Ewan, he has done his level 2 in catering since he's been here. My main cook has just completed a level 3, so there's not there's a big wide variety of qualifications within the care home. You can look at possibly becoming a senior carer, which is added responsibility. April was a senior carer before she was head of residential. I mean, there's lots of things to do within the nursing home. It's not just caring. You've heard from others that have come through the laundry and cleaning. We get people coming from the community who've done domiciliary care and want some disability. We have a handyman, we've got the laundry staff, the kitchen staff. So we're one big family. We have an administrator as well. So there's lots of things that keep a home ticking. It's not just the care.
This is the one aspect of care that's open to anybody, is that the career progression is there. I started, as I said, as a carer, went on to manage my own unit, and from there now I'm chief executive of the company. All of us at some point in our lives, whether it's parents, loved ones, you end up caring for them, whether it's children or anything that goes on in life. So it's something that's within you. And I've had many people work for me in the past that have come from the armed forces or, predominantly, you would think would never get into care. But I think it's seeing the difference you can make with people. And I think finding those small bits where you can see a smile on somebody's face, or you get a family member coming up to you and saying, how well they're looking after their loved ones. And I think, yes, okay, there's personal care involved, but it's giving that time and dedication to somebody and then finding those differences in them is what makes it all worthwhile. But I think at the moment, I said it's the right time to join care because it's just been so publicised at the moment. Yes, okay, there's jobs out there, whether that's working in nursing homes, domiciliary care, but it's definitely an option for somebody. But it's knowing that if you go and do another job, you're almost pigeonholed into one task, whether that's sales, your whole priority is selling. With a care job, it's a whole career where you can just be so diverse, and the training is diverse as well.
Yeah. But it's definitely worth getting into. I would never look back now, and I wouldn't like to do anything else, to be honest.
And there's plenty of support within homes or all care to make their way up.
I don't know, the love that you've got inside you still, extends over to the carers as well, they're like family. Yeah. They are, yeah.